Good morning, student. Welcome to today class. Today we will discuss co-curricular activity. Co-curricular activities refer to activities, program, and learning experiences that complete in some way that students are learning in school. Is that experience that are connected to or uh, academic curricula or curriculum. Co-curricular activities are typically but not always defined by their uh, separation from the academic course. Co-curricular activities are very important for overall development of the student, uh, development of the mental, uh, physical, spiritual, uh, moral. So, co-curricular activities play an important role in everyone. First, we will discuss the learning objective of this lecture. To understand the meaning of co-curricular activity, to acknowledge the importance of co-curricular activity, to identify the goal and objective of co-curricular activity, a student will be able to analyze and understand the co-curricular activity. To acknowledge the types of co-curricular activity. These are our learning objective. Now, first we will discuss introduction of co-curricular activity. Co-curricular activity are those activities which are undertaken side by side with the curricular activities. They supplement curricular activity and prepare the student in the art of living and working together. Secondary Education Commission 1952-1953 comments on the importance of the co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities are as integral part of curricular activities of a school, and uh, their proper organization needs just as much care and forethought as the organization of co-curricular activities. According to Mahatma Gandhi, by education, I mean an all round drawing out of the best. In child and uh, man, body, mind, and spirit. All round, all round is the theme of modern education, which recognize that when the child comes to school, he comes for mental, physical, social, spiritual, and vocational education as uh, and and as such he must be educated and nourished in all of them. the concept of co-curricular activity. The sum total of all activities planned directly to the reinforce the curriculum. In those spaces of learning where otherwise it is difficult to teach uh, within a within the classroom. There are the activities through which a learner explore on one's ability, develop the strength, and eradicates the shortcoming through informal guidance, observation, and self assessment. Definition of co curricular activity. The International Dictionary of Education define co curricular activities as activity uh, responded or organized by a school or college which are not part of the academic curriculum but are acknowledged to be an essential part of the life of an educational institution. Co-curricular activity include sports, school band, student newspaper, etc. They may also be classed as extra. Co-curricular is that activity carried on outside the regular class of the study. Activities outside the usual duties of a job as extra class activity. Now we will discuss types of activity. Different types of activity, uh, 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 different types of activity develop different types of development in child. So first we will discuss the types of activity, then we see the example of different types of activity. Academic development activity, aesthetic development activity, cultural development activity, emotional development activity, leisure utilization activity, literacy development activities, moral development activities, physical development activities, productive activities, social development activities, scientific temperament development activities, and spiritual development activity in vocational oriented activities, multi-purpose activity and project. These are the main types of activity. Now we will discuss the example of these activity. Academic development activities, preparation of chart, model, symposium, survey according to the need of the content, quizzes, projects. In project work, student also working with together, uh, school magazine, essay writing, story writing, etc. Subject club, example of science club, geographical club, mathematic club, and other subject club. These are the example of academic co-curricular activity. Now, aesthetic development activity, uh, drawing, painting, decoration, exhibition, fancy dress competition, uh, music, dramatic. So these are the example of aesthetic activities. Cultural development activity, visit to assembly and parliament, student counseling, youth parliament, social service. uh, these are the example of cultural development activities. Emotional development activity, camps, celebration of national and international days, educational uh, tours, speeches. These are the example of emotional development activities. Album making, coin collection, stamp collecting, photography, educational tour. These are the example of usury development activity. Uh, literacy development activities example are debate, uh, public speaking, uh, library work, recitation work. So these are the example of literacy development activity. Moral development activity, uh, celebration of the birthday of a great man, morning assembly, social service. So these are the example of moral development activities. Example of physical development activity, athletic, cycling, mass drilling, NCC, swimming, yogic, indoor and outdoor games. Example of productive activities, manufacture of teaching aids, mm, craft work, book binding work, leather work, clay work, toy making, soap making, book binding, kitchen gardening, and cardboard work, embroidery work, or tailoring work. These are the example of co-curricular activity of conducted in the journal in the school. These are the example of productive co-curricular activity. Social development activities. Uh, so, example are of social development activities: girl guidance, community service, junior red course, national services scheme, NCC, extra are the example of social development activity. Science development activities example are field trip, science quiz, science fair, science club, science model, or spiritual development activity. Spiritual development activity in vocational oriented activity, uh, meditation, yoga, multi-purpose activity, and projects, tree plantation, uh, adult education, community service and awareness, beautification and cleanliness of the school campus, social service, social survey, prize distribution, undertaking various project. So these are the example of multi-purpose activity. Now we will discuss the role of the teacher in co-curricular activities. The teacher should take an active interest in organizing co-curricular activities as an integral part of the school program. In the teaching of subject, they get innumerable opportunity to suggest a variety of activities. The scope of activities is very fast. The language teacher can organize essay competition, handwriting competition, debate, spelling competition, etc. Social studies teacher can take up project on the lives of great historical uh, figures. Several types of map could be prepared. Excursion to place of the historical importance may be organized. Social survey could be undertaken. The science teacher can develop scientific creativity among the student by providing appropriate creative thoughts. As a matter of fact, scope organizing co-curricular activities is unlimited. So teacher play an important role conducting co-curricular activity in the school. Importance of co-curricular activities: improve communication skill. Communication skills are essentially in today's competitive world. Moreover, kids need time to understood how to express uh, themselves. Active participation in the debate or extempore speech can help them uh, relinquish their barrier. So, develop mathematical time management skill. So, co-curricular activities develop methodical time management skill. One need to learn time location and management in their school life itself. Balancing scholastic activity with co-curriculum activity will help your kid understand the importance principle of work life balance. Inculcate moral value and decision making ability. Our sense of justice and moral value stem from early childhood. Even though various factors like family background and individual traits uh, play a key role, participation in co-curricular activities help kids gather their thought. Teacher self motivation: when a kid struggle to learn a new skill in early childhood, they express failure and feel rejected at time. They keep trying and learn to motivate themselves. Identification and satisfaction. Many sound complicated for kid in junior grade, but at a few kids astonishingly pick up their grade after performing properly in examination. So, first is to support your student and motivate student to work hard to understand the concept, and then they will not failure, and they do not feel rejected in life, and motivate the student. Analytical ability, participation in the mathematic club or mathematic exhibition is an engaging recreational activity for kids. These activities include games and mathematical modeling alike, which can be fun and challenging at the same time. These activities help children analyze situation on their own. Kids can also solve puzzles and stimulation on cube math to build analytical ability. So, uh, co-curricular activities develop analytical abilities in the student, develop patience. Children can be very restless at a time, and this might create problem during examination. Kids tend to overlook important detail associated with questions. Comparison can also be cumbersome for the some kids. Mental math or math puzzle help kids comprehend better in the process of light-hearted learning. Kids tend to develop patience and interest. Social skills, instant interesting with your peers is essential to ensuring your high school experiences as is as rich as it can be, even if you are not someone who find social uh, situation easy. Joining a school club is the perfect way to meet like uh, minded individuals. Having fun with friends will make you high school experiences more enjoyable, and those social skills will come in handy when you start university or your first job. Improve academic performance. Active participation in an activity you are passionate about will improve your brain functioning. You You will develop your concentration and time management skill. For example, a sports activity will train you to focus, build stamina, and teach you to keep trying in the face of failure or difficulty. A student who got involved in other area of student life are also likely to have a more positive outlook on school and future study. And short co-curricular activities could be give you an uh, advantage when it comes in improving your academic performance, stress and relief and relaxation. Working on homework, studying for exam, thinking about your future, these things can all seem overwhelming. Uh, Co-curricular activities provide you with the opportunity to concentrate your efforts somewhere else for an hour or two. You can escape whatever it might be that stretching you uh, out and relax into something productive. Uh, uh, Public speaking will build your self confidence. Sport will you to uh, healthy and happy discussion or interact group will increase your sense of community at school. Gardening, science, technology club will and allow you to build transferable skills while having a good time with friends. Whatever you decide to do, it is important to do something that is not studying once in a while. uh, uh, Importance of activities, they gives them confidence. A student can learn team spirit, bring positive change in child. A student will get a chance to share their talent, to develop the all-round personality of the student. Co-curricular activities are to keep the student uh, 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 all-round development and or the co-curricular activity motivate student for actively uh, participate in different types of activities. Co-curricular activity also develop educational value, uh, development of civics value, psychological value, physical development value, cultural development value, development of social value, uh, or recreational value, educational value. These activities have great educational potential. All classroom teaching is theoretical, practical knowledge can be imparted through co-curricular activities. Language and experience improve through debates, celebration of functions, develop organizational capacity and leadership quality in a student. Psychological value, the activities, as the name suggests, meet the psychological need of the student, mainly with reference of social demands of the pupils. They help in expressing personal behavior and provide uh, vehicle from creative thinking. Development of the social value, social competition is recognized as one of the important uh, drama of citizenship and difficult to teach through school subject like language, mathematics or social science. By participating in group activities, students learn good manner and develop a sense of cooperation. Students learn to appreciate the relationship of individual to social group. Development of civics value, quality, qualities like initiate and leadership are not away dependent in the classroom. On the playground, students get opportunity to develop leadership quality like initiative, decision making, judgment, tolerance, etc. These qualities are required for democratic society. Many girls and boys have little uh, patience to controlling themselves and directing their own affairs. So, co-curricular activities uh, develop civics value in student. Uh, Physical development value, games, sport, athlete directly contribute to physical development of a student. Other co-curricular activities also indirectly contribute to it. These activities provide a usual channel for the growth and development of the body. Recreation value, by providing and organizing various activities, opportunities can be provided to students rather than to spend their uh, spare time in uh, undesirable activities. For example, movie, TV, uh, uh, idle, TikTok. Cultural value, co-curricular activities are of the tremendous value as they help in providing opportunity for better understanding of our culture, heritage, and tradition. For example, activities like dramatic folk song, dance, folk music, exhibition, and celebration of various religious and school festival provide better knowledge and understanding of the of our culture. The scope of co-curricular activities. The scope of co-curricular activities is a wide due to uh, nearly inexhaustible stable list of interest. good platform to secure the future for both professionally and socially and promote leadership quality. Co-curricular activities are a great source of developing student interest in studies, classroom, and class routine. It nurtures student ability in cooperation, uh, uh, coordination, organization, and lead toward leadership. These activity appears in child for future challenges. Role of co-curricular activities in a student's life. uh, it enhance the inner confidence to make the student fit for the future time, enhance social interaction, healthy uh, recreation, self discipline. Co-curricular activities are the true and practical experiences realized by the student. Physical activity like running, football, etc. help not only in the physical fitness, they also uh, refresh the burden mind. Benefit of co-curricular activity: increase physical stamina. Student can learn new things. Betterment of communication skill, help to develop the spirit of healthy competition. Games and sport help to fit and uh, uh, energetic to the